Hello and welcome to another Smaulgld live stream. It is Tuesday evening, February 19th, 2019. And tonight's topic, is it time for gold, Bitcoin, silver, and Litecoin to shine, i.e. alternative assets? We're going to take a look at some of the stories and price movements behind the precious metals and cryptocurrencies today. Let's take a look at the gold market today and see how we did. It was a fairly good day for the gold market today, and it was a good day for the silver market as well. It was an okay day for the equity markets and a pretty good day for the crypto market. So not a bad day all around if you happen to have those assets. So let's take a look at the gold price, and the gold price was up 1%. Oh, that's the wrong picture there. Gold price was up about 1% today, and let me just make sure we have the right date there. That was yesterday's date. There it is. There we go. Up 1% today, up $13.63, as I mentioned, up 1%. That's where the price is right now, all the way up to $13.39. Now, as with gold, silver, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, all four are approaching, I would say, psychological marks in their rise. Gold really needs to break 1350. It's run up against that a few times the last few years, hasn't been able to crack that, and then head to I think we're back again. Start again. Gold, silver, Bitcoin, Litecoin, all moving towards psychologically important levels. Gold, $13.50. Silver, $16. Bitcoin, $4,000. And Litecoin, $50. Let's start with gold and hope we don't get cut off again. Gold has been struggling to get past $13.50 4 or 5 times the past few years. Hasn't been able to do that since it broke down from price when it was at its all-time high of $1,911. We saw it back in 2016 a few other times. Even in 2017, the price rose. Early 2018, the price also got up, and around this time last year, to the $13.50 mark, but wasn't really able to push decidedly past that number. I think if it does get past that number, you will see it easily move into the $1,400 range. That's just my opinion, but I think that might happen. In fact, Dollar Collapse, where are they? The people who run Dollar Collapse we're talking about the same concept here. There you go, our friend Mr. Rubino. Hello, old friend. Gold nears $13.50 resistance. It has repelled it 4 times in 5 years. Yeah, so again, he's saying, will this time be the breakthrough? Well, I don't know if it will be, but if it is, that would be significant. A lot of these things, they do trade on charts, whether you like them or not, or you believe in technical analysis, but they do. And you'll see that when we get to the crypto discussions as well. Now, that leaves the gold price around $13.40. That's a very high price. Silver today, that was up 1%, 1.06%. Silver today had a similar day, was also up a little over 1%, up 17 cents to $15.96. Did not crack the $16 mark yet. It's at $15.94 at the moment. And again, I don't view any of this as atypical. If you're going to see silver rise, you generally have to have gold way out in front for a period of time. And actually, it's shaping up pretty nicely for those of you who want that gold-silver ratio to come down on the basis of rising gold prices where silver plays catch-up. Gold has been, since December, making a nice move. Again, if it gets past that $13.50 into the $1,400, you'd probably see some acceleration in the prices of gold, and you'll start to see silver doing what it did today, moving in tandem, not ahead, maybe not even, maybe a little bit behind, and won't really start to move until gold establishes it's really heading higher. And that would really mean something sustained, I believe, over $1,400, going to $1,450, and pretty much looking like it's in a nice rally. Then I think you would see silver start to pick up pace faster. But that's yet to happen. Hasn't happened over the last 7-8 years because both have been relatively, well, gold has been relatively flat and silver's been less than flat. It's gone down. Let's look at the gold-silver ratio today. Not much of a change. We're still at 84-1. And if you go back, see what I'm talking about, the last few years, the gold-silver ratio in the last 5 years has been, it's gone straight up, basically. There it is. You can see it's gone from about 60 to 84-1. And all during this time period, the silver pumpers are telling you unsustainable. That's complete nonsense for the reasons we always discuss. We're not going to get into them again today, but the gold-silver ratio probably won't come down. It won't go down to 16-1 unless you have a mandated bimetallic standard. But it will go down if gold continues to rise higher. As you can see, over the last 5 years, the gold-silver ratio has increased 23%. 38%, I mean. So you would have lost if you just held, if you held gold, silver instead of gold, you lost. I'm going to give it up. It's 4 times I've been cut out there. Yep, floating somewhere on the dark side of the moon. I can't keep this up with this YouTube nonsense. It's not working tonight. We will try again tomorrow night. Tomorrow I should have, if I don't get cut off and can't complete this sentence, we're going to do the Russian gold numbers for January. Sorry about that. I did have a lot of information. Oh, I do want to get this out. Saturday night will be Saturday night silver with Smaulgld and Salivate Metal. We're going to have a greetings one and all to the Salivation Nation. We're going to have him on a live stream. Hope you get that out. Let me show you the picture. Sorry I can't get to the rest of the news. I just can't be getting cut off 3 or 4 times in one night. But here is the Salivation Nation. So that'll be 6:30, a little early start. I think he has to go to bed early that night on Saturday. So please join us Saturday evening, 6:30, with Salivate Metal. And a multitude of gratitude to everyone for joining me tonight. So we will see you guys tomorrow night. Sorry about the issues with the YouTube and the getting cut off. Good night.